Hello, how are you? Going to make triangles today. Now we're going to make triangles using straws. Choose whichever one you want. You can get straws, you can get sticks of spaghetti, and we're going to cut them into little pieces, or you can get some macaroni. Or what else have we got here? We can get some sticks. They've all got to be the same length. And what else could we use? We could use, you could cut up some toilet roll and make bits of toilet roll. Here we go, there's one here. You can cut up some toilet roll and make toilet roll sticks. Or just bits of cardboard and make cardboard sticks. So they could have lots of sticks the same length made out of toilet roll or just old envelopes. So what we're going to do is when you've got lots of bits of sticks the same length, or you might have a toy that has lots of sticks the same length already, as long as they're the same length, for now we want them all the same length. And what we're going to do, I've got my spaghetti. Oh, that on the back of that's not going to work. How about the back of this one? Here we go. The back of this one, so you can see it. Let's have a go. Let's put that down there so you can see. And what we're going to do is we're going to make triangles. Now let's see what a triangle is. Make sure I can see what you can see. You can see what I can see. There we go. Triangle is, I'm going to use different things, is a shape with 1, 2, 3 edges. And I'm using the word edges because that way we know for sure what they are. We always use the word edges. We call them edges. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And that's a triangle. Now I'm going to maybe do some with the straws. Let's see. Now I can make a triangle like that and see if how else we can make more triangles. If I just add 2 more straws, oh my goodness, I can make 1 more triangle just by adding 2 more straws. And then can we make more? What happens? Could we make a bigger triangle? How could we make a bigger triangle, for example? Maybe we could have 1, 2 straws, whoopsie, 1, 2 straws there, 2 there, and 2 there. And then we'd make a bigger triangle. There's lots and lots and lots of ways of making a triangle. Now here's one. Now I'm going to use the spaghetti sticks here. Or you could draw it as well, of course, but if you could play this on the floor, especially if it's on the carpet, it won't roll as much if you've got a carpet or a rug or something. 1, 2, 3, whoops, 3, whee, 4, 5, 6. I've now got 6 straws. These are bits of pasta, but you can use whatever you want to use. Now, how many triangles do you think I can make with that? How can I make this into triangles? And what shape will it be? Let's see, I've got some more sticks here. What if I do 1 there? What shape do you think that's going to look like? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sticks. And what if I do 1? There's 1 triangle there. Can I make another one? And can I make another one? Move that on there a bit, make it right. There we go. And can I make another one? And can I make another one? And can I make another one? So that's something you can do. And then you can just keep adding triangles. And then what you could do is once you've drawn the triangles, you could maybe get some colorings and color in, get some paints and color in the middle, and then take the straws off and see what shapes you've made. You can see what other patterns you can make. And one of the really, really important things here is to look at, let me see, what do you think? It's not exactly right because they're moving a little bit, but is this, oh dear, that's what I meant. They've all got to be the same. If they're not the same, this question is just a silly question. We don't ask silly questions, do we? Well, I do, don't I? Silly me. I'm always asking silly questions, but not on purpose, only because I'm silly. Okay, here we go. Ready? There we go. Almost got it right. Are they the same, only moved around? So that triangle looks like that triangle, looks like that triangle, looks like that triangle, looks like that triangle, looks like that triangle. They're kind of brother and sister triangles. They're the same triangle. They look the same. They're like twins. They look the same. They're just facing a different way. And by putting them all together, then we can make other shapes. What other shapes can you make? Oh, I like, this is one of my favorites. It's like a Pac-Man. It's like a bird's beak. And you can just make lots and lots and lots of different shapes. Oh, the other way around. Wait a minute. If I can move it without doing something. Here, I've just spotted something else. Oh, it's gone away. I've just spotted something else there. Can you see it? I'm going to use this to make art, so then you can draw around it. I'm going to do that, and then you can see what I've seen. There's a triangle. Whoops. There's a triangle. I'm going to go down there and draw that up. Now I'm going to move all the triangles. I could have done a little triangle in the middle there. Can you see it? Can you see what I could see? And then give it some eyes. You can give it color, of course. So you can just make art. Just make art with triangles. Yay! Hooray! What's not to love about making art with triangles? And all you need is lots of little sticks that are all the same length. You could also play with making different length sticks as well. But if you start off with all the same lengths and find out all the different things and all the patterns you can make and all the different pretty things you can make, and then make art out of maths. That's it for today. That's the idea. So thank you for joining, and please do share this with other people and get them to join the Making Maths Fun for kids of all ages. And we at 10 o'clock, so at 9 o'clock in the morning, we do something for older children, and then depending different ages, different a little bit older than you and a lot older than you, different ones. And then at 10 o'clock every morning, I'm in London, so this is London time, then we do something especially for you for like if you're 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, these activities will be fun for you. And then there's before at 9 o'clock there's some for the older children, and then at night at 8 o'clock every night, then we tell you what we're going to do the next day. Okay, thank you for joining us, and please, and there's the YouTube. You know you like your YouTubes where you can see lots of YouTube videos as well, and we're creating a special section just for you, just for people that are 3 or 4 or 5, mainly 3 and 4 and 5 and some 6-year-olds, and there's a special section just for you coming up on the Bubbly Maths YouTube channel, so get your grown-ups to subscribe to it. And then there's also the Maths Toys. There's the Maths Toys YouTube channel, which has lots and lots of ideas for your grown-ups that then you can go and play with and do lots of lovely maths and have lots of fun with shapes and numbers and things. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. There we go.